Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I will teach you how to change background in Heygen. So let's just begin. So first of all, you are going to be simply, let's just say you want to work with any of the avatars. Let's just say this one. I want to edit this and change the background. So you can see we have multiple options in here. On top we have avatars, we have text, we have media, elements, captions, and background and record. So we're going to be heading over to backgrounds, and you can see we have plain colors, we have images, videos, and templates. So we can go with videos if you want to select a moving background, but I suggest you keep something static and professional. So you can see we have this one. Let's just click on that and just wait for a couple of seconds until it is applied. And here, as you can see, that our background is now changed. So of course I suggest the most appropriate background for your avatar which suits the best. So this one currently do not suit, so I suggest you change to something else. You can go with, like for example, we have multiple options in here that we can find and choose to go that is going to be more suitable. So basically this is the key idea of how to change the background. And by the way, you can get 22% off onto Heygen creators plan using the link in the description below, so make sure to do check that out. Thank you so much for watching, stay tuned, and see you in the next video.